dice the potatoes so that it will be faster if I boil it. You will notice that I didn't peel the potatoes because most of the nutrients are on the peels. 1/2 cup of celery, diced celery. 1/2 cup of carrots, diced carrots. 3/4 cups of diced mushroom. 1/2 cup of diced onions. 1/3 cup of grated cheese. The cheese should be dry. 3/4 cups of half and half. And if you have heavy cream, it would be better, but I only have half and half. 2 cups of water. I'm going to boil this. I'm gonna blender this boiled potato into 1 cup of water. I just do like pulse. I don't want to make it completely my husband wants some chopped pieces. And he wants the soup to be thick. Where I boiled it, I'm going to add all my ingredients. Celery, carrots, mushroom, onions, half and half, and cheese. Let it simmer. Pepper. I will add the salt later depending on how it tastes, because I don't like my food to be salty. It needs salt. I use sea salt. Sea salt is saltier than table salt. Tastes good. My potato soup is done.